All right, here's my weekly outlook, what I'm expecting price to do for this week. So I can take some trades, so I can be able to take some trade on my GoFirm account, which I'm actually documenting. So for DXY, we are actually bullish for me. Yeah, so we are bullish. So and then on the daily, there's actually a fair value gap. I'm expecting Monday slash Tuesday trading should trace, possibly should trade into this fair value gap and use it as support, and for also for price to discount, and then we can have a long term buy. So there is CPI, yes, CPI news on Wednesday. So that can actually push price higher. So if for DXY, I'm expecting price to be bullish, which is the dollar. So you should know what that means on um Euro USD and some other pairs that has the dollar as their quote currency. That should be a sell. So for EU, I'm actually expecting sell. So look at this now on the daily time frame. There's actually a fair value gap. So I'm expecting that price should just trade into this fair value gap and use it as resistance for continuation of sell. And if you look at the weekly, you can see that the weekly actually closed in a strong bearish manner. Yes, there's actually a strong bearish close of the weekly. Don't mind me, I should have taken this off, but this is actually from the daily. So look at this. Yes, so look, this is the daily time frame, and I don't trade much pairs. I only trade Euro USD, USD JPY, and GPP JPY. So let me see what I have for GPP JPY. So I'm actually on the daily time frame, and look at this, an order block. Look at this order block. If you look at GJ, the overall market structure is bullish. So we are bullish. So look at this, is an order block. So I'm expecting price to, I don't trade on Monday. So I'm expecting price to trade into this fair value gap. Monday, Tuesday, I'm expecting price to trade here and then use this order. I'm expecting price to trade into this order block. So for continuation for buys. So this is my buy side liquidity. I'm expecting price to clear this buy side liquidity, and I'm even expecting price to go higher. So let's see. So if you look at this, there's actually a fair value gap here. There's a bearish fair value gap here. And this bearish fair value gap, should price go bullish, this bearish fair value gap is going to be inverted. I'm not expecting this bearish fair value gap to hold. Look at this, there's actually a fair value gap here. So I'm not actually expecting it to hold because our structure is actually bullish. So, but this fair value gap is actually what is causing this resistance for me. It's causing this resistance, and that's why we're having this. You see, the market is actually consolidating. It's actually reacting of this fair value gap. So of this bearish fair value gap, but it won't hold because our entire structure is bullish, so it shouldn't hold. I think that's what I have for this week. That's what I'm actually expecting price to do this week. So I'm expecting GJ to be bullish and I'm expecting EU to be bearish. Make sure to join my Telegram channel for daily market insights and for quality signals. Yes, occasionally I share quality signals. So click the link in my bio, my YouTube bio, and join my Telegram channel. If you have any question also, feel free to message me directly through the Telegram or any of my social media at all. I'll definitely respond to you.